Your BT YouView box offers multiple ways to access both standard and hidden settings. Understanding these access methods will help you troubleshoot issues and customize your viewing experience. There are three main ways to access standard settings on your BT YouView box. The most common method is pressing the YouView button on your remote and navigating to Settings. Some remotes have a dedicated Settings button for direct access, which provides the quickest route to your Settings menu. Alternatively, you can navigate through the full menu path by going to Home, then Settings, then System Settings for comprehensive access. Your remote control manual shows the exact button locations and functions to help you navigate these settings efficiently. For advanced troubleshooting, you can access hidden settings menus. The service menu is accessed by holding the standby button on the box itself for 10 or more seconds. The engineering menu provides deeper system information and can be accessed through Settings, System, About, then pressing the colored buttons in sequence: red, green, yellow, blue. Diagnostic mode offers network diagnostics and signal strength information. Access it by pressing Standby, OK, and Back buttons together while powering on the box. These hidden menus reveal advanced options like device management settings, where you can configure automatic standby times and power-saving modes for optimal performance. Remember to use these hidden settings responsibly. Only access them when necessary for troubleshooting. Always document your current settings before making changes, and contact BT support if you're unsure about any modifications. The BT YouView box offers two main types of settings: standard user settings that are easily accessible and hidden advanced options for troubleshooting. Let's explore the standard settings categories first. Display and audio settings allow you to configure your viewing experience, including resolution and HDMI output options. Parental controls provide comprehensive content filtering and time restrictions to keep your family safe. Accessibility options ensure the YouView box works for users with different needs, including subtitle and audio description settings. Now let's explore the hidden advanced options that are available for troubleshooting and system optimization. Advanced network settings provide detailed configuration options for optimizing your connection and security protocols. However, accessing hidden menus requires caution. Here are the essential safety considerations you must follow. Regular maintenance through hidden menus can help optimize your system performance and prevent issues. Finally, here are expert recommendations for optimal YouView box maintenance and performance. By following these guidelines and understanding both standard and advanced settings, you can safely maintain and optimize your BT YouView box for the best viewing experience.